And you're just in luck because these 10 home gym essentials are very economically affordable. They range somewhere between $5 all the way up on 50, depending upon your economic status. So if you like any of this video, please help us by hitting that, smash that, hit that, I don't care what you do, that like button, so you can help other people receive the same beneficial information. So let's get right into it.
That was a good workout. Time for my shake. Yeah, buddy. Gold standard weight. All right. See what we got here. Can't wait, man. Oh, man. Who drank all my shake? Time to get a new one, man. Nothing in here, man.
Whoa, what are you doing, man? How much is in here? No, man, this thing costs $80 at GNC, player.
Oh, man.
Man, we gotta conserve.
All right,
what you think this is? We ain't got no stimulus money yet. I don't even know the next time I'm getting my stimulus.
Man, you're right, man.
All right, man, let's go make some shakes.
All right, let's go,
all right, man. Let's go, brother. Let's get warm up, man. Can't wait for the guys to come in. Pre-workout time, yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah, all right. I love my pre-workout, bro. Trying to get these gains, yeah. Oh. All right, let's do this. What the? Oh, a pre-work? Oh, hell. What am I gonna do? Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah, sugar. That should be enough. Yeah. Let's do this, baby. All right. This is the trade secret. Yeah. Ah! Let's do this! Hon, where are the eggs? I can't find them. I need to make my next meal. Egg? I said eggs. Oh, man, let me see what I can do with this. Just one egg, jeez. All right, let's see. Oh, there's more in there. Yeah, use this. Come on, baby. Oh, you got more in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's more. There's more. All right. I guess this will work. All right, enough fooling around with those funny little skits, but we hope that you enjoyed them. We worked really hard on them. So let's get down to the first home gym essential that we figured out, which was, yes, you guessed it, it's the barbell. These barbells are incredible for usage. It's very diverse. You have a lot of workouts to go through just by having this barbell alone. If you're confused about it and you don't know which one, we have a whole video on just barbells. So we feel that this is essential to have as a #1 gym equipment. Oh. All right, let's talk about #2. And no, we don't use this bench to come sleep in the doghouse. You can, but when you get kicked out, you can also come here. But the #2 home gym essential that we figured out was crucial to have is a bench. Now, if you look at our benches here, we have 2 sets of them. These are heavy duty, more durable, and you can accomplish a little bit more with just these bench. Just for you, we've done the research so that you don't have to go through the hassle of figuring out what is the cheapest bench that I can buy for my home gym. So check out the link below, we did it for you. All right, I'm gonna say it again. What do you think about when you hear the word dumbbell? Hopefully it's not me, all right? Hopefully it's not anybody who's in this gym right now, but we wanna go straight into the third home gym essential, which is the dumbbell, all right? The dumbbell is very, very important when you're looking at strength training and also going into your deeper isolation exercises. These are great to have in your home gym. Typically, you're not gonna go out and go buy the most expensive dumbbell rack and dumbbell set you're gonna find. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find the most efficient ones that are gonna work for you according to your fitness level and according to your budgets. And if you wanna know more about our specific dumbbells, we have the full description, weight, cost, everything else that comes along with it in our video that we created, so check it out. And our number 4 must-have essential home gym equipment is going to be some bands, resistant bands right here. These right here can be very, very underestimated. And if you know correctly how to utilize these things, they can not only help you stretch out very efficiently, but also use resistance training in terms of putting your muscles to work. So, you know, if you have any questions about these resistance bands, we did make a video on this specific one, so tune into the video below. We have a lot of useful information when it comes to bands and the workouts, and we feel that this is essential to have, not only just for strength training, but also stretching and doing all those little ancillary exercises to get stronger, to build more muscle and lean mass. All right, and number 5, must have economically affordable home gym equipment to have that we wanted to throw out there was a pull-up bar. This pull-up bar is more advanced because it came with the resistance training that you see here. But what we talk about typically when we talk about a pull-up bar is something that hangs on a door, which we're showing you on the next clip here. The pull-up bar is very essential when it comes to working on your upper body strength. This you can work with your pull-ups and also strengthen up your lat area. This common area right here where it's always flabby, you can very much take care of that by working on your pull-ups. And keep in mind that pull-up bars, if you have it at home, it's more convenient to do these pull-ups. Otherwise, there are parks out there that have pull-up bars where you can just go and get your exercise on. So make sure you do your research on your local parks out in the area as well. It's going to be your personal protective equipment. Now, with the current status outside right now, when we talk about PPEs, we're talking about masks, sanitizers, stuff like that. No, with us, FitStem, we're talking about your belt, okay? Because we have to preserve ourselves in order for us to work harder and push ourselves throughout the outskirts of our limits. So we recommend highly as a home gym essential before you even get down to the nitty-gritty and work your butts off is to protect yourself so that you can have longevity when it comes to physical fitness. And that's what we pray for you and what we'd like for you to have is to do this thing until you're 70, 75 years old without having any back issues. And this is certainly going to help you do that. And while we're on this subject of back pain, we're going to be making a video on how to properly take care of those really tight areas in your bodies that you can't get a hold to without going to a specialist or a deep tissue masseuse. So tune in, subscribe now, hit the button so you don't miss anything because we're going to be coming with a lot more videos that's going to be massive value. Yeah. Okay, next on the list. As you can see, what I have back here is a mirror. Okay, mirrors are very important, and to us, we think of it as like an extra coach, so it's extra eye. So this is very important as a home gym essential for us because if we don't look at our proper form and we don't see how we look like while executing these things, these exercises, then how we know what we're doing is correct. So this is exactly what we need to not only increase our enthusiasm, increase our motivation, and to also see that pump when it comes there. How are you gonna look at the pump? You gonna go to the bathroom every day like this? Huh? No, I don't think so. So invest in a mirror. We have some at Amazon that can be ranging up from $25. Well, $25 to get a meal to get motivated. How about that? So get yourself a mirror, save yourself all that stuff that is gonna come along with guessing. Don't guess, get it right, get a mirror. And the next home gym essential we're gonna be going over is, what am I standing on? A mat, okay? We wanna have some sort of foundation underneath us when we're properly executing these exercises. One, because of the safety issue that it can provide. Number two, the comfortability. You wanna be able to be comfortable while you're executing these exercises, or else the next time you wanna go and do a push-up or a sit-up, you're gonna be thinking about how uncomfortable it was, and it's gonna negate you from doing that exercise, okay? So don't do that to yourself. Get the proper foundation and the proper cushion. We have, on the link below, we put a couple of mats that are very cheap that you can buy off Amazon, and all the way on up to the mat that we have here. Please don't forget also that if you want to know more about this mat, we made a whole transformation video on our gym, and we clearly discuss about our flooring and our pros and cons about them. So don't forget to check it out. gonna be your favorite music, man. You gotta have your favorite tunes to be working out on. As you can see, we got the Fit Stem radio going on, and we're just pumped up, ready to work out. Get your music in here so you can be jamming, bro. Not just looking at people looking at music and you're working out, right? Don't do that. Don't be that guy, okay? So, if you're missing the music, we've got music playlist for you. Please check them out. Play them, blast them at your work area, blast them while you're doing dishes, blast them while you're cleaning, blast them. Let's go, get your favorite music on. Alright, as you can see, the last home gym essential, you guys, is your favorite YouTube channel, Fitness Enthusiasts. In our case, it's gonna be us, right? We're your favorite? Oh man, we better be, because we're putting in a lot of work for you guys, okay? So the last thing we want to talk about is getting on your favorite person that you want to follow, the one that inspires you the most, the one that motivates you, the one that lights that fire up your butt, right? To get you to work out. So most of the time nowadays, we look for YouTube, right? Somebody's on there that we want to be. They motivate us, they inspire us, and they want to get us moving. So we advise you to get something out there in your home gym. Just follow them because they're doing what you want to do. And they know the strategies to get there. So just like us, if you're stopping by here, please allow us to help you. And subscribe. And make sure you hit that bell right away because you don't want to miss nothing else that comes out. And as a special treat for all of you out there, we put together a playlist so you don't have to go searching for the videos. It's gonna be right there. Click the button. It's a playlist on all our music, all our videos, and a lot more of us. So if you need us in your life, all this energy, please check out our videos. All right, lastly, for this week's subscribers, we want to shout out 2 specific subscribers of ours that we want to let know we appreciate very much. The first one is going to be 60 Seconds Calisthenic. If you haven't already, subscribe to their channel and check out the content. Good stuff. The next one is going to be Jessica Estrada. She's been mainly commenting on all our videos, watching it, giving us the full watch. We truly appreciate you. We're looking forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.